What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video where today we're gonna be trapping with waterfalls on the new Sonic map. This is gonna be like a 3-part series, I think. You know, just different traps with waterfalls that you can do on the Sonic map, like the new one in duos. So yeah, skip until the number on the screen if you want to skip these two very important announcements. Number one, I probably won't be uploading daily after like August 6th because I will be going back to school on August 10th, which is Monday. Then I might probably be only doing like 2 uploads a week, maybe 3. Which, you know, that's still quite a bit, but it's not going to be daily like I do right now. But yeah. And one other thing that's pretty important, you're not going to be seeing any more of Are You Llama in my videos unless a part of those videos was recorded today. Because let's just put it this way, I'm not playing with them anymore. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to expose them because that's mean. That would be mean. But yeah. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you there. Alright, now stay away from him.
Died.
Yeah, very good idea. Very good idea. Yes! Yes!
No way.
Oh! 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 Yes!
Look, he's giving it. Look, he's giving stuff.
Yeah.
He's dead.